Hey YouTube, this is David Silverite here. I'm now recording with my new iPod Touch 4th generation because this video records in 720p high definition, but that's not all. Today I'm going to be doing an app review. I'm not going to show you the app, but I'm going to tell you what it is. I'm doing a review on the Who's Here app, which is a really useful app if you want to like phone or text people. It's catch. The iPod Touch and the iPhone 4 users must have that app if you want to phone or text them, but you must give them your friend code or just text or phone random people. Now the iPod Touch 4th generation, you must have the if you want to phone people and speak to them, you must have the earphones with the mic adapter, if you guys know what that is, but you probably do. Yeah, it's got a little volume button on it, you know, just like controls the volume instead of like clicking the side buttons, you know. But with the iPod Touch 4th generation, it's a lot easier because it's got a built-in microphone, so you don't need the adapter or anything. But with the iPod Touch, you must be connected to a Wi-Fi network, and with the Wi-Fi network, you can phone and text. Now, I've done it a few times. I've actually texted a bunch of randomers. It's really cool, to be honest. And I'm just like doing this video to like raise awareness because it's a really good app. Personally, I would use it if you ever need to like phone or text your best friends over a Wi-Fi network, or within iPhone cases over your 3G network. And if you're doing that, well, it's a lot simpler than wasting all your credit, to be honest. But like I said, they must have the app. Now all you need to do is go to the App Store, look up Who's Here, download the app, and that's it. Do up your profile. Say what you like in that. Are you single, in a relationship with that? But also, the best thing about it, there's a jerk filter, which is like your block filter on your Facebook, Bebo, stuff like that. Your MSN. Sorry if I'm sounding a bit like shit, because I have a cold, as you probably would have guessed. But like I said, there's a jerk filter. You can block them, whoever you don't like. So they're jerks. But don't make yourself a jerk, because that's one thing you don't want to be, a jerk. And if you're a jerk, well, you get jerked. You get the jerk filter on, you bitch. And the Who's Here app, like I said, just phone, text, and it costs you nothing. So for your Wi-Fi network and your 3G network. Even though your 3G network does cost monthly, pretty much. But that's on iPads. As well as iPhones, which sucks. 3G network should be free. Like a Wi-Fi network. Who the fuck invented 3G network? Apple? Well, of course they fucking invented it. No wonder why it's for the iPod Touch. iPhone, I mean. Fucking hell. It's also for the iPad as well. The 3G network, but do you think you see a Who's Here app on an iPod and be like this huge ass thing is like, what the fuck? How the hell did the phone someone through this? Oh, I'll fucking text them. I'd like fucking use a fucking computer for that. Yeah. And that's all I gotta say about the Who's Here app. It's a pretty good app. I advise everyone to get it. I mean, everyone at school should get it for their iPods or their iPhones. Just give out your friend codes to your friends, whoever has it, and, well, just text them away. It's better than just wasting all your credit on your iPhone. And if iPhone does have credit, that is, if you do get the pay-as-you-go. If you get a monthly, then you're sorted, I guess. But then again, who needs an iPhone? Who needs an iPhone when you can get an iPod Touch? But the problem with the iPod Touch, you have to be connected to a Wi-Fi network, which is pretty suckish. Well, Stagecoach Wi-Fi network, you can use that. But you have to be on a Stagecoach bus, or be at the bus station in Union Square. And what you just do it in your house if you have your Wi-Fi network on, or you get one that doesn't have a passcode, which is cheating, but still Wi-Fi network. And moving on, I've got another app. Another app I'd recommend download is a Facebook app, because everybody's on Facebook all the time. So just get a Facebook app. But don't get the Bebo app. It sucks. It's basically the same as on Safari. Bebo app is shit. Also, you get this Bluetooth app, which you can chat to people through Bluetooth as well, which is personally it's okay, I guess. But it can only be through Bluetooth, through iPhones and iPod touches and iPads. So, you know, it's not that bad. I mean, could be worse, but you know, it's a start. And I'm sorry I didn't do the unboxing video for my iPod Touch 4th generation. I just got a bit excited to open it, and also, well, you know, I'm a Silverite. I'm excited about almost everything I get. And also, moving right along, SmackDown 2 versus Raw 2011. It's nearing the date for SmackDown versus Raw 2011. And when that comes out, I'll be doing tons of videos on it. I'll hopefully be using my this camera. I just need to find a way to set it up somehow. Just like set up on a wee stand or something like that. I might need to get a dock connector or docking station to put it on, because that's the next step. It's either going to be a case or a docking station. I reckon I should get a case first for this once you start releasing the cases. But you know, it'd be good just like get a docking station so I can start recording my videos in 720p HD high definition. It's not the best high definition, but you know, it works out better. It's better than using my crappy Geno touch camera, which is like 2 megapixels. But you know, as I can see in the video, I can just like, it's a lot clearer on the video now. As you can see, I'm just waving. It's like no blurs out or anything. So it's pretty cool. I like this iPod, to be honest. It'd be better than using my computer, to be honest. But you know, shit happens. I could try setting up my drum on the drum set I got for Guitar Hero World Tour, but you know, that does actually work because I used it for my Sony Ericsson, which everybody remembers the Sony Ericsson I had. It was a good phone, reliable. It did everything I wanted. Well, maybe not the texting, because my text on my phone don't even work with the SIM card that I have right now. So you know, just don't text. I just phone them. But I've never had credit anyway, so. Anyway, what's the point of having credit when I can just phone people and text people through who's here? That's if I have their friend codes, which nobody at school really has who's here, which everyone at school, you know who to listen to. Now people say the Who's Here app is shit on YouTube. Well, guess what? Some people say it's shit, some people say it's not. But you know what, I'm one of the people that says that's not, and a lot of people do listen to me. I'm usually right half the time. Maybe not, but it's just shit, you know? Just shit happens. But, you know, I'm right about this one. Who's Here app. Get it. Give out your friend codes to all your friends that has it. And then just text them whatever you want over your Wi-Fi or 3G network or your iPod Touch or your iPhone. But I recommend the iPod Touch 4th generation to use the phone call thing for, not the 3G. To be honest. Another good thing about the iPod Touch 4th generation is the way you use FaceTime over the Wi-Fi network. It's a lot better. I haven't used it yet, but I will be using it soon once everybody else starts getting an iPod Touch 4th generation, or if anyone has an iPhone 4. That's a really good friend of mine. And in just, well, I think that's about it, I've got to say. Apart from, I'd just like to thank everyone for saying happy birthday to me on the 14th of September on Tuesday, and I'd also like to thank my media studies class for singing happy birthday. I would like to thank my history class for trying to get Mr. Morrison to sing happy birthday, but he's like, you know, oh, it's copyright issues by the people who invented it. Copyright my fucking ass. I've already broken copyright issues in half my videos. I don't care. I probably will take them down eventually and replace background music, which would just kill the videos, but, you know, everybody knows me. What are rules for, eh? They're for breaking. And there'll be no party. Yeah, there's gonna be no party on my birthday. Unless anyone plans a surprise party, which, if anybody does, then I'll be happy. As long as they're booze and fags. You know, basic essentials at a party. Well, YouTube, that's all I gotta say, even though there is 15 minutes of video time, but, you know, it's not much to say. I'll catch you all in, I'll probably catch you all in my next video review, which will be my next video, and it'll probably be a SmackDown vs. Raw 2010 video. I'll speak to you all later. I'll see you at school, and I'm not well right now, so I probably will see you later. Goodbye.